Hello kids! Let's draw angel drawing and start coloring with oil pastel colors. Do you like angels? In my childhood, I heard many angel stories. I am going to tell you one angel story with moral. Are you ready to hear the story? Yeah! In a bustling town, there was a kind-hearted boy named John who always tried to do the right thing. One day, while helping his mother at the market, John found a shiny golden coin on the ground. He picked it up and wondered if it belonged to someone. Just then, an angel appeared beside him and said, "John, you have a choice. You can keep the coin for yourself, or you can find its owner and return it." John thought about the options and decided to look for the coin's owner. He asked around the market and eventually found an elder woman who had lost the coin. She was very relieved and thanked John for returning it. The angel returned and said, "You made a wise choice, John. By returning the coin, you showed honesty and kindness. These qualities are more valuable than any treasure." John smiled, feeling happy for doing the right thing. He learned that choosing to do the right thing even when it's not the easiest option brings true rewards. The moral of the story is choosing to do the right thing even when it's not easy brings great rewards and shows true character. That's it. How was the story? If you like my drawing, coloring and my story, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.